Now, some of you might be asking, what is an Apex Legends? Or even, what is a Battle Royale? But don't worry, there are no dumb questions. This is a safe place. You know, it's probably the only safe place in the whole game, because everywhere else, someone is trying to kill you. Surprise! All right, before you go streaking through the sky, assaulting supply ships and tap strafing your blobbity-blobbity storm point and whatever.
Hey, bro, I'm on my way.
Let's cover the basics so you can have the most fun possible as fast as possible. And first up, the game. The main mode is Battle Royale Trios. It's the game that started it all. 20 squads of 3 players drop into a map. The longer you last, the smaller the map gets, thanks to a shrinking ring. Now the winner is the last squad standing.
If we were on the same team, you would be happy about this.
You'll start the match on a dropship. You decide when to drop and where to land, but pro tip, the edges of the map are a bit calmer. Perfect for a new kid on the block, such as yourself. No offense, we all gotta start somewhere.
Here we go.
If you're feeling sassy, you can do what the cool kids call a hot drop into a popular area. Just don't expect to last long.
I need some help over here.
Yikes. Dropping on the edges means you can practice your moves while you explore the map, and more importantly, pick up gear, aka looting.
I work hard for the money.
This is how you gather the weapons, ammo, and equipment you'll need to survive and fight your way to the final ring.
I'll high-five you all when I see you.
Oh, another pro tip, you can never have too much loot. If you can pick it up, pick it up. Now, once you feel like you've got the gear you need to generally kick some ass, it's time to start shooting. Pew, pew, pew. That's what guns sound like to me. This game is all about choosing your battles. Just because you can see someone doesn't mean you should start shooting at them.
Pushing.
Because if they're far away and you've only got a pistol, popping off at them is just gonna get their attention and say, hey, I don't like living very much and I really don't want to win this game, so please come kill me, like right now, please.
Ambush, ambush.
Yeah, do not do that. Just play smart and always use teamwork. Sheer skill only takes you so far. It's the squads who work together that twerk together. Oh, they win. They win because of teamwork and working together.
I will save you or die trying.
So share your loot. Call out enemies.
Enemy over there.
And watch each other's backs. Oh, plus, there's this whole system of no words communication for you to use. Some of us kind of need it.
Let's defend here.
But you'll learn all about that in basic training. Speaking of which, you should probably head there now. Oh, be sure to say hi to my friend Bloodhound.
Have you prepared for your end? I have.
They're a total softie. All right, until next time, I'm Mirage, and it's time to get out of Dodge. I'm Mirage, and I need a massage. Yeah, that's really not working either. But I could use a massage. That sounds good.
Welcome to Apex Legends. I am Bloodhunder. You can call me Bloodhound. Let us begin with basic movement. Complete the checklist on your HUD. Follow me. Sliding down hills increases speed. Inside the territories, you can find supply bins that carry weapons and resources you will need to survive. Open one. Strong work. Grab your supplies. Your HUD will show what you have equipped. Follow the checklist to access and cycle through your inventory.
Frog out. Patching myself up a bit.
Inside the supply bin, you will find a weapon and ammo. Arm yourself. The battle calls upon you. Slaughter as many targets as you wish. Each shot is important as well as the weapon you hold. Grab a second weapon. The field is full of choices. Remember, you can carry only 2 weapons. To equip another weapon, you must swap out the one you are holding. Choose your new weapon. A powerful key to becoming an Apex Legend is communication with your brethren. You can ping different locations, objects, and enemies depending on where you're looking. Follow the checklist to cycle through your pings.
Let's go this way. Might be something good this way. Contact with target. Let's go this way. Let's explore this way. Got a 30-30 here. Heavy ammo here.
The All-Father blesses you. Pathfinder will continue your training.
Might be
I will
something
see you
good
again,
this
my
way.
fellow fighter. We may even shed blood together.
Let's explore that way.
Hi, friend. I'm Pathfinder. I'm excited to fight you in the ring, but first, let me give you some helpful tips. Working together in a squad is very important and very fun. Here is your squad mate, a digital utility Mockman intelligent example, or dummy for short. During a match, you or your teammates can get knocked down. But don't worry, with skill, everyone can have the chance to be revived. Just
Let's
approach
explore
your
this
dummy
way.
and hold the prompt button on your HUD to revive them. Great! Welcome back, dummy! Now here's a good thing to know. Each one of us has a unique tactical ability. You are Lifeline, and you have a health drone that distributes health to anyone next to it. Give it a try and heal your friend. Just hit the tactical button on your HUD.
Back me up though.
Looks like you're a little far away. Try it again a bit closer to your friend.
Patch me up, Doc.
Great job. Helping out your squad is the best, but sometimes they die. Don't worry too much. You still have a chance to bring your friend back. Approach Dummy's stash and grab their banner.
Let's go this way.
Great! You can use that banner to bring back your friend through any active respawn beacon. Approach the
explore this
respawn
way.
beacon and, when prompted, hold for activation. Be careful. It takes some time to contact the dropship. You could get shot. That wouldn't be good. You did it. Here they come. Welcome back, dummy. Here's another thing. Like our tactical abilities, each of us has an ultimate ability that you can use when it's ready. As Lifeline, your ultimate calls in a Lifeline package that delivers all types of defensive loot from large health kits to high-tier body armor. Looks like Dummy needs some stuff. Call in your Lifeline package to help them out. Here it comes. Approach it and open it up. Grab what you need or ping items for your friends. That's all for me. Great work. Remember, each one of us has different tactical and ultimate abilities, so give us all a try. I get to use zip lines to reach high places and move quickly. See you in the ring. Woohoo!
I just do the job. What can I say? I love what I do.
and I will survive together.
We have no choice but to win.
This is gonna be a good fight.
Get a good look. This is the last time you'll see me.
Focus. Fight. Win.
Stick together. Ain't nobody gonna stop us.
I'm out of sniper ammo.
Round one. Fight.
We should continue there. I have gathered materials.
Care package arriving. Choose your next move quickly.
Care package on high.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots.
You all still stand. The mark of the superior squad. Inspired, you stand to rise above the rest.
Just so we're clear, you were a goner 3 turns ago. The rest was me showing off.
나 준비 많이 했어. lead to the same place.
Today is gonna be our day.
Pay attention. You might learn a thing or two.
Focus. Fight. Win.
Stick by your healer. You hear?
Round one. Your goal is simple. Win.
Deploying health drone.
Care package arriving.
Heads up. I'm spotted, taking fire. Reloading. I'm down. Getting shot at.
The victorious fighter is well prepared. Round two.
Health drone if you need it.
I say we move that way.
Package arriving. Choose your next one.
I've been down. Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
Taking fire, boss. I'm down.
Defeat draws near, but it is not imminent.
Hey, watch it, bro. They may win this one, but keep fighting.
Round three. Expose their imperfections.
Deploying health drone.
I'm getting shot. No good, brothers. I've been downed.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. The This time I'm down. Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
We have a winner. Enjoy this, Legends. You'll have to earn it again tomorrow.
Medea, all good with me.
Come on, friend. Time to win.
Prepared and ready.
Put your opponents in their place.
Stick by your healer, you hear?
Round one. Fight. Care package. Could turn the tide for you. Could turn the tide for them.
Heads up. Care package coming in. Got some materials.
let them catch you unprepared. Round 2. You have your targets. Care package inbound.
Care package coming in.
Cracked an enemy shield. Enemy taken down. Reloading. More enemies down.
Double kill.
I'm down.
Materials here.
This round is yours. You near victory. Do not let it slip away.
Stay focused. We're about to win.
Round 3.
Materials here.
Care package arriving. Choose your next move quickly.
You hear that? There's a care package coming down. I've been down.
I got some materials for us. Yay!
Not a single loss. Congratulations, winners. Now